Today I'm going to show you a luxury new construction model home in a new development in Palm Beach where they're building a town center, a hospital, more higher end amenities to attract businesses and residents, different home designs to choose from, and plenty of options to custom build your home or move in right away without the wait. So if you're looking to buy a home here and want to learn more about what this community has to offer, my name is Rafael Gonzalez. I'm an independent realtor that specializes in new construction and new home communities in South Florida, and I can personally assist and work with you throughout the process to find the right place to call home. So here we have the largest new construction model home in all of Palm Beach, coming in at 5,815 square feet under air and over 7,000 total square feet. I was able to get exclusive access to this home because while this is a model that I can help you build here in Avenir, the home as you see it will be for sale once they put the finishing touches. With a huge swimming pool and spa, 5 bedrooms, each with their own ensuite bathrooms, a powder room for guests, a den, and a separate club room off the lanai, a 3-car garage, and a massive loft upstairs, this grand estate is sure to impress and is built on the largest lots in Avenir. As soon as you walk in the home, the foyer is open to the second story with 24-foot ceilings and leads to the central living spaces with views of the pool and backyard. Polished porcelain flooring throughout, and a very contemporary chef's kitchen with double ovens, a gas range, commercial hood, and a walk-in pantry. The island is oversized and opens up to the great room, dining area, and club room while still maintaining views of the pool. The master suite makes up the entirety of the right wing of the home, with a spa-like bath, 2 deep walk-in closets, and a spacious primary bedroom. And even though this is a 2-story home, the utility room and laundry is situated downstairs. There's another private suite off from the 1-car garage, with the other 3 generously sized bedrooms located upstairs around the loft, with a second utility closet for a stackable washer and dryer. And with respect to this community that they're building here in Palm Beach Gardens, Avenir is a master plan development that will have nearly 4,000 homes across 4,500 acres of land, where they're building out multiple unique communities, a town center approved for retail, offices, dining, and entertainment. There will be nature preserves and walking trails, parks, and a high-end luxury golf club. A new charter school is in the works, along with a comprehensive medical campus within Avenir with a 53,000 square foot hospital with emergency services, plus 75,000 square feet of office space with primary care specialists and other outpatient services. There will be several private clubhouses for the residents in different phases of the development, each with their own resort pools, cabanas, splashpads, sports courts, playgrounds, and event hall and fitness centers. And the new clubhouse that will be finished this year for the newest phases will have its own full-service restaurant on site with a nail salon, massage rooms, sauna and steam rooms, and an indoor sports complex. Avenir is setting itself up to be the focus of luxury resort-style property in the Western Palm Beach area for the next decade. So if you're interested in scheduling a tour and want more information about this and other homes that they have available here in Avenir that I can help you build or that are move-in ready, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for the builder. I'm an independent realtor and can help work with you with any home or community that you ultimately decide to call your own. Whether you're looking at homes for sale or exclusively new construction, remember to call me before visiting any of the models on your own so that you will be able to receive representation when you're ready to make a move on the right home. I've worked with this builder extensively and have experience working with and bringing clients to each and every builder here in South Florida. There's a lot to take in exploring new developments, and I'm here to help make the process less stressful and break down everything for you. So there's a huge benefit to have me on your side to answer all of your questions about the process from beginning through closing. And the builders compensate me on your behalf for my professional services and guidance throughout the process. So if you're interested in this home or something similar to this anywhere in Palm Beach, you can reach out to me directly, and I personally would be able to work with and assist you throughout the entire process.